So today I found these cute little large skillets, actually 2 of them, at the thrift store. Yeah, for $2.99, and actually a little bit less than that because on Tuesdays there is a discount for seniors, and I guess I fall into that category finally. So I take advantage of that, and I think I paid just over $2 for this. Like 30% discount is not bad at all. So 2 of these little skillets, they're the 5WS, and I believe they are for like grilled cheese or grilled cheese and ham sandwiches. Probably could do up an egg in them as well. Anyway, got a little touch of rust on one of them. Not bad though, and the other one looks a lot cleaner. So I'll just clean these both up. You know, a little rust on the back, and this one's got more rust on the front. But anyway, I'll clean these up real nice and add them to my stash. Whenever they have cast iron, I look to see that it is large product. If it is, I might consider it if the price is good. Amazing that you could find some terrible cast iron at thrift shops that cost even more than buying them new. Anyway, that's it for this little bit. Okay, well, here are my 2 little cast iron pans from Lodge, all cleaned up, and they look brand spanking new. So these were an interesting buy. I think that they're made for grilled cheese sandwiches. Can also be used, I guess, to cook up eggs. So yeah, I'm not unhappy with this. For less than $5, it was a pretty decent purchase. Okay, so I've also purchased a book of verse from the thrift store, and found an appropriate verse to read from. I'm just going to read both the first and the last stanzas, and it's probably the time of year for it. So it's called The Coming of the King. Yet if His Majesty our Sovereign Lord should of his own accord friendly invite himself and say, I'll be your guest tomorrow night, how shall we stir ourselves, call and command all hands to work, let no man idle stand? And the last verse reads, but at the coming of the King of Heaven, all is set to 6 and 7. We wallow in our sin. Christ could not find a chamber in the inn. We entertain him always like a stranger, and as at first, still lodge him in the manger. So, yeah, interesting book of verse. I do like the occasional poem once in a while. Okay, so the last item, I guess, that I'm going to show you that I purchased at the thrift store is this bag of little mason jars for $2.99, which is not a bad deal considering that there is 6 little jars in here, so they're 50 cents a piece. Now the little tiny ones I don't need, but I'm still trying to accumulate a decent amount of these wide mouth half-pint jars, but I think this is a very expensive way to go about this, and I'll probably stop doing this. So that's it for my thrift store finds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.